So today I am doing a requested video, and I wasn't going to do this before, but I decided to do it because I was there anyways. I'm doing a Dollar Tree makeup look. So basically, I went to Dollar Tree and bought like a full face of makeup: foundation, brows, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, lips, blush, highlight, contour, everything. I did not get lashes. I said I was gonna go to a different Dollar Tree, but I really want to get this video up because I really, you know, I'm into it. But I do have some affordable lashes that I think I actually did see one of the lashes that I do have at Dollar Tree before, so I'm just gonna use that. It's just kind of like a cheapy kind of brand, like nothing too crazy or fancy, so I'm just gonna use that in its place because I feel like to do a full face you need lashes. If you'd like to see how this goes, then keep watching. Alright guys, so the only issue at Dollar Tree was that the foundation selection was crazy. So I picked up literally the only dark foundation was this one, and it's not even that dark. It's actually pretty like gray. It's kind of a neutral color, so I was like, all right, fine, I can try to work with this. And then I picked this one up because this is the LA colors. This is in the shade Natural. This was more yellow, so I figured if I kind of mix these together, maybe we'll see what could happen. I don't know if it was just that one location that just didn't have more dark colors, or if they just don't really make that much like dark colors. But literally, I watched a couple of videos and there are a few people that are saying like there's literally no more than 3 colors. So the selection is not inclusive. Definitely still very light. Alright, we'll see how this goes. I did see a lot of people using Dollar Tree brushes and sponges. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want this to not work. I feel like when you're using those types of sponges, they're so cheap that they probably are not gonna work, so it's not like a good test of the actual makeup. So I'm gonna use like a good brush and good brushes to really apply these things. So I'm just using my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm just buffing this in. Not terrible, I guess, once you blend it in. It's not horrible. Obviously wouldn't like choose this color first, but it's not bad. It's kind of like a light, like a tinted moisturizer or like a BB cream. No, what do you guys think? Not horrible actually. I'm not like mad at it. So this is the face. I'm sorry guys, my camera died. I'm going to go into this one. That one is the one that's more yellow. I'm gonna see how that goes as concealer. I am gonna be using my Eco Tools sponge to apply this and to blend it out. So let's go ahead and apply this. This is a foundation, it's not like an actual concealer. I couldn't find any type of concealers. All the concealers that they had were correctors. They weren't like really like concealers. I'm going to go into this Beauty Benefits contour palette. It has the lighter side and then it also has the contour side. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and set my under eye with this powder. So I'm gonna put this down initially, and then afterwards I'm gonna go in with a brush and just dust it on. But I just want this to be set in place. So I'm gonna go in with this one now because I'm gonna get my brows done. I don't have like a lot to do. I'm actually very excited though. I kind of really like the colors in this palette. I'm gonna go in with the brush that they gave. Let's see how this brush goes. Not bad. Not bad, but it's just too short, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna go in with my regular brow brush. So this color is very warm. Go ahead and get this in. I didn't think it was gonna be this warm. It's not like bad, but it's just different. I usually go for like a darker brow. Let's see how this goes. Right, so I'm just gonna get a little bit of that foundation concealer. I'm gonna get a little brush and I'm just gonna carve the brows out. Mainly just kind of like erasing whatever is a little extra. It's not bad, but you know, obviously I would not normally do this. I am excited for the eyeshadow. I am really excited actually for the eyeshadow. The 3-color eyeshadow from LA Color. I got 2 of these because this one is pretty shimmery and this one is more of a matte. So I figured I could do like a really pretty like lavender type of look with this. I also did pick up this Shade Boss from Sinful Colors. These are actually so pretty. I might actually use this one for a highlighter, so we're gonna see about that. And then I picked up this one as well. I guess I could use this color as a blush, but these are like really good, so I'm excited about this. Let's get into a blending brush. I'm gonna go into this middle shade right here, which is lots of kickback. I'm gonna blend that off, and we're gonna go ahead and apply this all over. Not a bad color. I'm not upset. That same brush, I'm gonna go into this color, which is like a warm brown. So you're gonna use this color as the like crease and transition color. This is actually my go-to color, not for nothing. I love using like a warm brown. No, I think a lot of what this is really just kind of like using these products to the best of your ability. Like even if you have to use the bronzer as a darker color, or even if you want to like put a little bit of your eyeshadow on your cheek, or you know, mix a little bit of like some clear gloss with a pink blush or a pink eyeshadow, and it'll turn it into like, you know, a nice little pink gloss. So it's really just kind of like being creative and putting your makeup skills to use. I am definitely going to bring this color down onto the bottoms. I might actually use this color as a blush as well, this eyeshadow color, because I really like it. So I'm just getting that on my blush brush. Just gonna apply it on. Oh, perfect. Some sort of color to my face makes me so happy. Perfect. I am gonna contour too. There will definitely be a difference between my eyes and my cheeks for sure, because I am gonna do some eyeliner and do a little bit of other things. I'm gonna go ahead and get my finger and just grab right into this like gold color, which is, oh my goodness, absolutely beautiful. I love that. Wow, such a pretty color. I'm just gonna get that all over my lid. I'm gonna go into the purple color. With a little tiny brush, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this and run this along the bottoms of my eyes. But I think for right now, I want to definitely use this black liquid liner. I might possibly use a little bit of this lilac color in the waterline. Let's try this. Wow, I like that. Okay, so let's go into the eyeliner. This is the LA Girl Matte Liquid Liner. Girl, yes. So what? Yes. I am for this. I am here for the eyeliner. Lick. Applause for this eyeliner. So I'm just gonna use this little e.l.f. eyelash that I have. I didn't necessarily find this at the dollar store, but I'm pretty sure these lashes were $1. So let's go ahead and bronze up my face. This one is a little bit lighter and this one's a little bit darker. So let's just go into this one quickly, see how it goes. Oopsie, wrong color. So we're just gonna get this color. Bad. The highlighter that I'm going to use is actually this eyeshadow. It kind of reminds me of Albatross from NARS. So I'm just going to get that lightly on my nose and right down here. You definitely want to blend it because it's super pigmented. Not for nothing, I might use this as my actual highlighter. It is so pretty. What a glow. I'm very happy. So the lips I'm gonna do is this side. It's a really nice, like, pinky color. Ah. This is very pretty. I love this look. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Girl, I love me some Dollar Tree before, but this is something else. This is something else. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go ahead and go into this LA Colors lip gloss, and this is in the color Just Kissed. I'm just gonna do this very lightly, just in the center, to add a little bit of glow. It smells like bubble gum. Yummy. Last but not least, the moment I've been waiting for, I'm gonna use this setting spray. Just for today, I definitely am gonna be washing my face real good because I'm not trying to break out from this foundation, which also has like dimethicone in it and a bunch of stuff. So we'll see how this goes. Let's shake this up and let's do it. I'm so scared. Doesn't smell that bad. This is the finished look. I don't think it looks bad at all. I love the highlighter. I love the eyeliner. I love the lip. I think these are my favorite ones. I really like this one in particular because it's like quick and on the go and easy to use. So this one is in Sunflower. This is from LA Colors. Then this lip, this is from LA Colors as well. This is the Lip Duo Pencil. So there's another side of this. I just went ahead and I used this side. This is amazing. And of course, the LA Girls Matte Liquid Liner. I love this. I think this is actually like my #1 recommendation from all of these, along with the highlighter. This is good stuff. This is very, very good stuff. So I'm really excited about this. And it's $1. Thank you very much. I'll take 10. Alright guys, so I actually went ahead and I put on some lashes. These are 305 lashes by the brand Keijo, and it's in the style 305. I love the way that these lashes make the look. It just looks a lot better, of course. And I did go in with some of my regular mascara. I did the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on the bottom lashes. It just pulls it all together. I also went in with a little bit of this and I put it right in the inner corners because, you know, you want that little bit of a pop. But I love it. I love this look. I love that all of these things were from the Dollar Tree. The only thing that I think was not okay was the foundation. I mean, it worked. I made it work, but it is still very light, so there's that. But other than that, I'm living for this look. I love the lips too. The lips are so pretty, but perfect spring look from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has you on everything you need. I need to be sponsored by Dollar Tree. I'm not joking. And or LA Colors. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for another version of this coming soon, and we will chat later. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Reesiibabe and at ReesiiMUA, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.